Is your browser feeling sluggish to taking too long to load your favorite pages? I will show you a method to optimize your performance by resetting your network related browser setting. For this you need to click the Window plus R on your keyboard and now type inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. It will straight jump into your internet properties. In the window that appears, look for the browsing history section and click the delete. To ensure a thorough cleanup, make sure you check the boxes for temporary internet files, cookies, histories, download histories and forum data. Once those are selected, you need to click delete again to clear out the junk. This simple process removes unnecessary cache data, allowing your browser to operate much more efficiently. And then click apply and hit OK. If you found this tip helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to Basic Tech Skills for more essential PC tips. Thanks for watching.